2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.